20. I love myself. Affirmations. I choose me every time, every day. I am worthy of compassion and love. I extend empathy and love for the people around me, and for myself. I recognize that we are all on our own paths and mine is as valid as any other. I will no longer apologize for being who I am. I am at peace with what is happening in my life. Joy flows through and from me. When the going gets tough, I will keep going to achieve what I deserve. My spirit and my body are beautiful. I am love. I am centered. I am grounded. I am peaceful. I respect my limits and appreciate what I am capable of. My life is overflowing with love and happiness. I am profoundly proud of myself. I am greater than my mistakes. I have what I need to be happy, and I am. I have the power to change my life. I choose love. I am bigger than my negative thoughts. I do not judge others because I do not judge myself. I live my own expectations.